Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a parallax scrolling effect using HTML and CSS. If you don't know what is parallax effect, listen, parallax scrolling is a website trend where the background content that is an image is moved at a different speed than the foreground content while scrolling. To chaliya suru kartain. First create 4 div tags with class name container and cont1, cont2, cont3 and cont4 respectively. After this create a div with class name text in each parent div as I'm doing. Again create p tags inside text divs and add some text. Okay, now remove the default margin and padding from all elements. Set height of both HTML and body to 100%. Hey beautiful people, please use your finger to subscribe our educational channel and turn on the bell icon to never miss an update. Liking the video makes you more beautiful. Ayasman Bava.